Hi guys, so it's 7:51 and this is actually our bunk in the ferry. Richard was fantastic last night. It's actually a little bit like being in prison in here. Alan was farting all night.
Was I?
Yeah. And I was snoring all night. So this is the cabin, this is what you get for £6,000 for one night. Richard, how did you sleep last night?
I slept incredibly well when you woke me up.
Yeah.
Well, I was saying that, just careful to say. When you woke me up at 8 o'clock, it's like, yeah.
I was only prodding him slightly.
Yeah.
There's some sugar. Did you want sugar?
Yeah, no, it's good.
So far then, Alan? How was the trip down then to the ferry?
It was absolutely brilliant.
Yeah. Did you get wet?
There was no rain, was there? No rain.
No rain.
No rain. No rain.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know.
He survived. Sorry, what were you saying, Alan?
Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side, like a survivor, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Stop it.